Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Topical Talks for a new tutorial video. And in this video,
we will learn how to get AHRI in League of Legends. So there are a couple of ways you can get AHRI in League of Legends. The first one and the cheap method is using her champion shard to unlock her. In order to do that, you have to go to your loot section of the client. From here under the champion shard tab, if you have AHRI champion shard, you will see it on your top side because it is set in alphabetic order. So when you see the AHRI shard, just left click on it and there will be an option called upgrade to champion permanent, which will cost you 1890 blue essence. You can get blue essence by disenchanting any other champion shard that you do not need. So you can disenchant all these shards by left clicking on them, then clicking on disenchant into essence, then click on disenchant and you will receive the equivalent blue essence. After that, you can left click on the shard, then click on upgrade to champion permanent and AHRI will be unlocked in your account. The second method and the costlier method for unlocking AHRI will be through the shop section. So first go to the shop of League client. After that, go to champions. In here you will see all your unowned champions. As I already own AHRI, it is not showing for me in here. But when you see AHRI in here, you have to just left click on AHRI. You can either choose the right points method or the blue essence method to unlock her. The best way is to unlock her using blue essence, which I showed you previously how to get. So if you accumulate the amount needed for AHRI, you can easily unlock her by left clicking on it and then left clicking on the blue essence section. So this is how you can easily get AHRI in League of Legends.
thank you again for watching the video. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel, and see you in the next video.